Hi! In front of me is Nokia 6320 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off vibrations on this device. Firstly, go into menu and find settings. Then open them. Now go into personalization and tap on sound. Over here you can go into tones and tap on vibrate. Then if you want to turn off vibrations completely, select off. As you can see, vibrations are now disabled. If you wish to enable them, just go into vibrate and click on on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!